confused us. It's fast,
Entering average speed check zone.
Jesus. I ain't felt that before, man. Need to be careful with this car, man. Oh. Yeah, it turns bloody well, man. It's the 4-litre bi-turbo. Yeah, no, they've really pushed this one to extract the most amount of power. So you got about 650 brake and 900 newton meters of torque, man. That is a big number, man. Like, as its name, Mercedes AMG GT, it's not like based on one of the, you know, models like a C-Class, A-Class AMG. It's just literally been manufactured from directly from AMG. So you've got something that's super rare, man. Like, it's just got a few underpinnings from the E-Class and a few from the CLS.